Welcome to kua.ai, an AI tool for e-commerce. Today, we're introducing a feature called Superblog, designed specifically for Amazon sellers and Amazon affiliates. Superblog transforms your ASIN into a high-quality, SEO-friendly blog post with just one click. If you already have an Amazon private label and a web store, or if you are an Amazon affiliate with your own site, we highly recommend using Superblog to generate high-quality blog posts. These posts can significantly increase your site's organic traffic. If you don't have a web store, Superblog might change your mind. You'll see the application's input interface on the left, where you need to enter 6 pieces of information. Firstly, input your product's ASIN from Amazon, which allows us to gather all relevant information such as the title, bullet points, long description, search terms, product specs, and details. You likely know where to find your ASIN. For example, let's use a Crocs product. You can find the ASIN in the title, then copy and paste it. Secondly, indicate the Amazon market where your ASIN is sold. For example, Amazon.com for the USA, Amazon.fr for France. We currently cover the US, Europe, and Japan, meaning we can fetch and recognize ASINs from these Amazon sites. Thirdly, choose the language for your blog post output. We support nearly all languages. Just type English or any other language you prefer. Fourthly, enter your product link. If you're an Amazon seller, input your product's URL on Amazon so the generated Superblog automatically embeds this URL. If you're an Amazon affiliate, enter your affiliate link, whether it's a short link or a full link. Fifthly, input 1 to 2 core words that describe your product, such as slipper. Lastly, define the tone of your blog post. You can be as detailed as possible. For example, requesting a playful language style as if the author were a street skating teenager. Then just click Start Workflow, make yourself a coffee, and come back to retrieve your Superblog. You'll find that the Superblog automatically captures the ASIN information you entered, producing a perfect blog post. It automatically fetches product images and specifications, turning them into a table, and includes 2 call-to-action links that direct to your affiliate URL or ASIN URL. You can also click the step-by-step button to view our workflow steps. You'll discover how we automatically analyze your product, incorporating Google Trends, and people also ask from Google search. This unique approach, combining Amazon and Google data, presents a truly perfect, data-supported, SEO-friendly Superblog post. After multiple trials by kua.ai and our clients, the generated Superblog can be indexed by Google in as fast as 5 minutes.